All right, my people, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 healthy easy breakfasts you can achieve using oats instead of eating bread. Why not try this? You are going to love it. So I am starting with the first one. 4 egg. I went in with 4 tablespoons of oats. So 4 egg is equals to 4 tablespoons of oats. Mix it up nicely, and then I added red green bell pepper, I added onions, I added Maggi and salt. Then I'm going to mix it up together nicely. Once I'm done mixing up, next I'm going to be adding coconut oil on the pot. You can use groundnut oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, whichever one you have. Then I'm going to be transferring the mixture into the pot. Once I transfer it into the pot, I'm just going to spread it around gently, make sure it covers the pot, and then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for 2 minutes. And then I'm going to be using my plate to turn it the other side. So then I'm going to put it back into the pot, allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, it really came out nice, guys. If you're going to be trying this first one, let me know in the comment section. For those of you who want to lose weight, see healthy food where you're going to eat for breakfast too. So I'm just going to test this one before we proceed to the next one. Guys, take a look at this. Who could tell that this is oats? This is really nice. When I tasted it, oh my God, it was really good. You can't even differentiate it with pizza. It didn't taste like oats at all. So for the next one, I have 3 banana. I'm just going to chop the banana into smaller sizes. Once I'm done chopping this banana, I'm going to set it aside. And then for the leftover 1 banana, I'm going to use my fork to match it into liquid. So you can use blender to blend this if you don't want to waste time. Then I went in with 3 egg, and then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing it up like this, next I'm going to be adding oats on it. So I added 4 tablespoons of oats, and then I'm just going to mix it up nicely until the oat goes into the egg properly. Next, I'm going to be applying the coconut oil on the pot, and then I'm going to be placing my banana on the pot just like what you're seeing. Then I'm going to transfer the mixture into the banana. Make sure the mixture cover the banana very well, and then I'll cover it to cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'll open it and use my plate to turn it around. So guys, I tried to turn this thing. I just messed up everything, but it's still nice anyway. So I'm just allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, and then that is it. I'm just going to transfer it into the plate, and then I'm going to be adding golden syrup on top of it. You can use honey on this if you have honey. So that is it. Your second breakfast is ready. Guys, take a look at this. Who could believe this is oat? When I tasted it, oh my goodness, this is really beautiful. The banana made it taste amazing. If you're going to be trying this second recipe, let me know in the comment section. So we are moving on to the third and the final one. So I added 1 cup of oat into my grinder, and then I'm going to grind it until it becomes very smooth. Honestly, this is really good for weight loss. Once I'm done grinding it, I'm going to set it aside. On this one, we need 2 raw eggs. I'm going to crack it into the bowl and then mix it up nicely. Then I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to mash the banana, mash it until it becomes very smooth like this. And then I'll transfer it into the egg, mix it up nicely. Once I'm done mixing, I'm going to be adding half cup of milk, and then I'll mix it up again, and then I'll transfer it into my dry oat. You can also add this on your blender and blend. Put all the ingredients together in the blender and blend. Next, I went in with my coconut oil on the pot, and then I added 2 tablespoons of this mixture, and then that is it. So when you notice the movement on the pan, it's time for you to turn it, and then your pancake is ready. So guys, if you're going to be trying this second recipe, let me also know in the comment section. Now, this syrup is optional. You can use honey if you have honey, or if you don't want, it's up to you. Just enjoy. So now tell me, is this something you would love to try for breakfast? Among the 3 breakfast recipe I showed you guys. Which one are you going to try? Is it this one or this one, or maybe this one? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Help me to share this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.